Hi everyone, my name is Fernando Alvarez from Chile. This is my final project for Code in Place from Stanford. I developed this program in Python and I use Canvas library for the graphics. Okay, and here we go. Let's play. Okay. Okay, this is a typical puzzle. The Knight's Tour Challenge. Uh, the knight must visit every square on the board exactly once. Okay. The moves. The knight moves in an L shape, two square in the one direction, and one square to the side. Okay. It's like in chess. Okay. Let's start. And here we go. Okay, can you see the first screen? And when you move the knight, it leaves a gray square on the board. Okay, that means that you already visited that square and you cannot visit it again. Okay, for example, here I don't come back here. Okay, and the program only allowed valid moves. For example, here, no, 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 no. Okay. Uh, at the bottom, you can see visited squares, 20 out of 64 moves. Okay. Let's play. My strategy here is to fill to the size first and then go to the center. Okay. I need to be careful here. It's getting complicated. I go to the center. Okay. Here. When you don't have any more valid moves, the game is over. But here I win. Yes, perfect. Congratulations. You reach 64 out of 64 squares. Accuracy 100%. And click restart. Okay. When you finish the game, at the bottom, in the section recent 3 games, you can see the record of the last games you finished. Okay, so that is my program. I'm so happy to do this, and I hope you try it and enjoy the game. Okay, have fun. I was a pleasure being with you. Thank you so much, everyone.